In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get and use Stubhub promo code for tickets. To get started, head over to the Stubhub website or open the Stubhub app on your device. Before you buy anything, the first thing you'll want to do is find a valid promo code. There are a few common ways to get one. You can sign up for Stubhub's email newsletter, since promotional offers are sometimes sent directly to subscribers. You can also check your Stubhub account for any available promotions tied to your profile. Another good place to look is directly on the Stubhub website, where limited time offers may be displayed. In some cases, promo codes may also come through eligible partners or special event promotions. Once you have a promo code ready, sign in to your Stubhub account. This is important because some discounts may only work for logged in users, and signing in also helps make checkout smoother. If you're using the app, the process is very similar to the website, so just log in the same way you normally would. Next, search for the event you want to attend. You can browse by artist, team, venue, or event name, depending on what you're looking for. After you find the event, choose the tickets you want to purchase. Take a moment here to double check the section, row, quantity, and total price so you know exactly what you're buying. When you're ready, click Buy Now or proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, look for the area labeled promo code, discount code, or add a code. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it's usually easy to spot during checkout. Enter your valid Stubhub promo code carefully, making sure there are no typing mistakes or extra spaces. Then click Apply. After that, verify that the discount has been added to your order. You should see the updated total before you submit payment. If the code is valid and your tickets qualify, the reduced price will appear automatically. If you don't see a change, it may be worth checking whether the code has expired or whether it only applies to certain events or purchases. And finally, complete your purchase. Enter or confirm your payment information, review all of your order details one last time, and make sure everything looks correct. Then click Place Order or Complete Purchase to finish buying your tickets. And that's it. That's how to get and use a Stubhub promo code for tickets quickly and easily.